Number 2, Reverend Sharpton has no chance of being elected at this time because his campaign is not well financed, and any politician who is not well financed has no real chance of being elected. Okay, remember the first thing we're looking for is indicator words. Doesn't look like we have any any conclusion indicator words, but look, we have this word because here, and if we remember, it is a premise indicator, because when we say something because, what follows that is we're giving reasons for the first thing. So we know that this is a premise indicator. So what comes after the because is usually a premise. So we're putting that in angle brackets. We didn't have any conclusion indicators. Now it's saying because, and all what's coming after that are premises, but let's think about, okay, if those are reasons, what's coming after the because is reasons, it looks like our conclusion is Reverend Sharpton has no chance of being elected at this time. So it looks like we should be underlining that, our conclusion. And now what comes after the because his campaign is not well financed, and any politician who's not well financed has no real chance of being, and remember, and we sometimes put those in between two different claims, but it looks like here's one premise: his campaign, that is Reverend Sharpton's campaign, is not well financed, and any politician who is not well financed has no real chance of being elected. Now let's see, does that make sense? Does that seem to be what it's saying? Let's try to put it in order. We'll take the premises. Premise 1, his campaign's not well financed. Premise 2, any politician who's not well financed has no real chance of being elected. Just prettying it up a little. Okay, and let's see what we have and see, does this make sense? Is this the argument? Conclusion: Reverend Sharpton has no chance of being elected. 1, his campaign is not well financed. Any politician who is not well financed has no real chance of being elected. Therefore, Reverend Sharpton has no chance of being elected. Looks like we have the argument.